My name is Mihir Vardhan. As you all know, Honorable Governor, on the eve of the 71st birthday of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had announced a scheme of financial assistance to 71 institutions, old age institutions, destitute institutions, and other old age homes, and also for 71 patients who are undergoing dialysis treatment. This was a unique initiative on the part of the Honorable Governor, and it shows us the care and concern, and we want to make a difference in the lives of these weaker and underprivileged people. And subsequent to this, the advertisement that we had, we are very grateful to the press and media for giving wide publicity to this announcement. And we have received a very good response from many of the institutions and from those who are suffering from dialysis. So having scrutinized all these applications, we have lost no time in deciding to launch this program. So on the 8th of, that is tomorrow at 3:30 p.m., we are having the inaugural program of disbursement of financial assistance to these institutions, as well as the individuals who are undergoing dialysis. We have chosen a few institutions initially and a few patients who will be coming here tomorrow to receive this assistance at the hands of the Honorable Governor, and there are other dignitaries. Number one is Honorable Chief Minister will be the chief guest at this function tomorrow. The Honorable Minister for Revenue will also be here as a guest of honor. The Honorable Leader of Opposition will also be present here as a guest of honor. His Holiness from Tapobhumi will be present, as well as His Grace, the Archbishop, will also be present for this occasion tomorrow. And we have also invited the entire press to be present. And after this, it's not just about distributing the financial aid to these people. The Honorable Governor will be undertaking field visits to these institutions. And these visits will be starting from next week, and it will continue throughout the month of October and November. He will be visiting these institutions, and he will be interacting with the inmates of these institutions and the in charges to understand their problems and issues. So it's not just about that. So it's a totally entire kind of different kind of an initiative and exercise that the Raj Bhavan is undertaking at this time. And besides this, also you know that Raj Bhavan has been doing a lot for the forest and environment, and we have got a lot of trees here in Raj Bhavan. Every year we take a lot of initiative in planting a number of trees in Raj Bhavan. We have got an 88-acre estate. It's a big forest area. And this time also we have planted more than 500 fruit growing saplings, and we conducted also a Vana Mahotsav with Honorable Governor and other dignitaries. So as part of this entire initiative of plantation, we are going to plant now on 12th of October 71 jackfruit saplings. The speciality about this jackfruit sapling is that it's going to be an imported variety from Vietnam, and we have been told by this organization which is arranging this program for us. It's called as the Green World, Clean World Initiative. So these people will be with us, and Honorable Governor will be undertaking this plantation of 71 jackfruit trees, and we understand that the fruits are born within a period of 1 year. So it's something we want to start it in Goa with Raj Bhavan, and probably it will may spread to the rest of Goa. We would also be inviting the press and media for this event on the 12th of October. We would request all of you to be present. We want to know more about this plantation as well as this jackfruit plantation, saplings plantation. I'm sure that you can all come and seek more information in this regard. So with this, I would like to open it for questions.
How many applications you received for dialysis?
Yes, for dialysis we have received 31 applications so far. And we are still, the people are making inquiries and all still. I mean, they are still in the process of.
And the institutions?
Institutions are 29 institutions.
So how much money roughly?
This is from the discretionary fund, okay, of the governor. This fund, you know, it's a very variable fund. Okay, it goes on. It can increase depending on the needs. So in view of this program, we'll be having sufficient funds. And let me tell you that the government is supporting us in this regard.
So the dialysis person, how you are going to support it for long term or what is it?
Look, dialysis patients, we see already dialysis patients are being given financial help by the state government. You mustn't be knowing. The Deen Dayal Swasthya Yojana is already there, and they are also having some insurance cover. But we have understood that dialysis patients do a lot of tests and they spend a lot of money for medicines and all other than what is there. So it's like a one-time financial assistance that we are going to give to the dialysis patients.
Do you know? Do you know?
Pardon? No, that will be decided by Honorable Governor when he is going to decide that. You will know about it tomorrow.
That is not decided.
No, that will be decided by Honorable Governor.
Is he going to be for the first time?
Yes, this is for the first time. You see, we are covering a certain number of institutions. As I said, 71 institutions and 71 individuals. So this kind of wide reach to the weaker and underprivileged sections of society is the first of its kind, I would like to say.
So this was the initiative of Prime Minister.
Yes, it is the initiative of Honorable Governor, but on the occasion of the 71st birthday of the Honorable Prime Minister. Yes, those who have already now applied, those who have applied, and we are going to give the thing. As I said, there are many more people who are making inquiries with us. Okay, even today there was the Missionaries of Charity who came to us. So we will be going to these kind of institutions which have made the application and maybe more.
This will be annual event.
Pardon?
This will be annual event.
Yes, you have to make it success. We are, and yes, but for this year it is there. This up to this March 31st, this program will continue, and maybe an initiative for the future also.
So are these such programs conducted all over India, or this is the first state which will be using?
This is as far as Goa is concerned. This is a program only of Raj Bhavan.
Other Raj Bhavans
Other Raj Bhavans, I cannot comment on other Raj Bhavans, but you see, all governors have got discretionary funds. Okay. So they are also using it in different ways and all that. Raj Bhavan Goa, under the leadership of Honorable Governor, is using it in this manner.
Thank you. Give me the press note for it.
Pardon?
Central leader.
No, there's no central leader coming. It's a Raj Bhavan function with the state government and other important leaders.